A very early good morning to you, YouTube Nation. It's your favorite hiking professor, Dr. Brandon 4. I'm doing Mount Massive today, the second tallest peak in the state of Colorado, 14,421 feet. Morning glow on Mount Elbert, the tallest peak in the entire state of Colorado. First light. So I've been hiking on the Colorado Trail. It runs north to south through the entire state, almost 500 miles. But after 3 miles, I'm now at the Massive Trail. Great news. I have broken tree line. My first meadow and outstanding views. That's Mount Elbert. That's South Massive. And where the sun is reaching the summit, Mount Massive. Wildflowers galore on the lower end of the tundra. And just a spectacular morning. Still not even 7 a.m. I started so early because even though it's clear right now and the weather is beautiful, they're calling for a 50% chance of storms by 11 a.m. and they're pushing it to 70% by 1. So that means you get on the trail early to do these high altitude hikes. Lots of wildflowers. You can see the trail We'll actually hit that saddle and then head up to the summit. It looks like a long way from here, but don't worry, we'll get there. The only concern is the snow, but the hike is right along the ridge. It should be snow-free to the summit. Just to give you a perspective of how small those flowers really are. Just a spectacular morning, isn't it? Just slowly working my way up to the saddle. Just saw one hiker, that's it. Just you and me. I'm approaching the saddle. The wind's picked up. I'd say it's about 45 degrees right now. It's really cooled off in the last 1,000 feet. The sky's overcast. If the sun was out, it would be much warmer. The saddle and some hikers heading up the ridge. Just to prove how cold it is, I've reached the saddle. It's just short of 13,900 feet. I'm on the other side to protect us from the wind. And it's chilly right now. But this is what you care about. This is why you watch my videos. Just a gorgeous morning. Another 500 feet to the summit. We're getting close. Welcome to a very windy Mount Massive, 14,421 feet, the second tallest peak in the state of Colorado. What a wonderful, wonderful day to be up here. Almost July, and look at that frozen lake. Oh my goodness, what an amazing hike. Took me just under 3 hours to summit. Average pace per mile, 24 minutes, 7.5 miles. Man, I had probably a really good time. Oh, I got a visitor. There he is. What do you want, buddy? I know what you want. You want those amazing almonds I carry. Yeah. I know you do. What's it like living at 14,421 feet? That good, huh? So he's just hanging out. Always good to have a guest. But man, I cannot believe how beautiful it is up here. So glad I got this hike in today. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to with the weather conditions, but it's not even 8:30 and it's just beautiful up here today. What's crazy is the difference in elevation between Massive and Elbert, 12 feet. Elbert's 14,100 or 433, so it's 12 feet difference. Man, it's been windy. right here, getting a real treat. Wow, isn't it incredible? Man, it's so beautiful right now. It's a great time to be up here. Quite a few hikers starting to come up now. That sun's come out. Finally, it's warmed it up. Wow, it was chilly coming up, but it's just beautiful right now. That town way off in the distance. Leadville. That's South Massive in front of you. And that's Mount Elbert. La Plata in the background. Coming up this very spot, it was like 45, 40 degrees, 20-mile-an-hour winds. Now, it's at least 20 degrees warmer. It's just fantastic. And, of course, no wind. Oh, another one of my friends is down here. A lot of marmots apparently on Mount Massive. You want an almond, buddy? At least he's not running towards me. I think he's sunning himself. I guess you don't want an almond after all. You don't know what you're missing. Just coming off of the mountain, following the trail, heading back to the tree line. Come on, admit it. You wish you were here right now, hiking in the tundra, coming off of a 14er. Could anything be more fun than hiking here right now? I don't know. All I know is you wish you were here right now, walking this flat to downhill in the tree line part off of Mount Massive in Colorado. What a beautiful view. To show you I'm finished. 15.74 miles. I'm back before noon. It's 11:40. Oh, I guess they realized that it's a rough road ahead and a Ford Focus can't do it. They're from Kansas. Everything's got hills here. What a great hike. I had so much fun doing this hike. I'm so glad I finished early. Clouds are starting to puffy up a little bit here and there. I had no issue with that, but the hike down got very warm. But man, wasn't it great? Don't you want to come out to Colorado now? Aren't you ready to do some 14ers? Or at least get out to where you're at. Get to a national park, a state park. I don't care if it's a city park. Go for a walk. Be around the trees. It'll make a difference for you. So for the last time, I'm for your success. Your favorite hiking professor, Dr. Brandon 4. Thanking all of you so much for your support. I really appreciate all my subscribers. Thanks for everything. Keep watching. Keep hiking. Until next time, you take care.